Okay, so in this program, what we are doing is we have to take a list of dictionaries. Now, each dictionary in the list represents a student with their name and scores in various subjects. So, for example, here we have name is Arjun, math score is 85, science score is 90, English score is 78. This is the first dictionary for the first student. Then for the second student, this is the second dictionary where name is Balram, math score is 92, science is 88, English is 84. And then similarly, we have the third student record. Okay, so we have records of three students, let's say. So the expected result is uh, okay. So whatever the score was secured by Arjun, Balram, and let's see, whatever students' data that you have given as input, basically what results have they obtained? Okay, what is their average? Okay, we'll calculate the values. Don't worry about the values. We'll calculate them. So for the first time, okay, we'll directly use the dictionary over here. Okay, and just like we have done list comprehension n number of times in the previous programs, this time we'll use something called as dictionary comprehension. Okay, because the result has to be a dictionary. Okay, so our result will be average is equal to dictionary comprehension. Now, basically, if you enclose it in uh, square brackets, it's a list comprehension. And if you have the key and value parts being generated due to a generator expression, and the key part and value part are separated by a colon, and the entire thing is surrounded by curly brackets, then it's a dictionary comprehension. Okay, and if you have curly brackets, but there is no separate key part, colon, value part, there is just a generator expression surrounded by curly brackets. In that case, it's just set comprehension. But right now we are doing dictionary comprehension. Now, what is our key going to be? So our key is always going to be, so here, whenever we are doing comprehension, whether it's list, set, dictionary, whatever, or tuple, first thing is what is our loop? So our loop is for, or what are we iterating over? Basically, what is the iterable? So iterable in this case is the students dictionary, students list, sorry. The students list is the data structure that we are iterating over. So for student in students, now here student itself is one element, each element of the list. But in this case, that element is a dictionary. Each element is a dictionary. So student is a dictionary basically. And what we are doing here is now the key is supposed to be the name attribute. So whatever name we have for the student, okay, and name as a string because in each dictionary they have kept the name with the key as name. So this will give us the key of our new dictionary. Are you getting it? So in the original dictionary, the key is name. So when I say student name, if I just do this much, what will I get? If I just keep showing you the progress, basically, if I do it progressively, let's say if I just print averages over here. So right now it's just set comprehension because there are curly brackets, then student name for student in students. Okay, so student is a dictionary because students is a list. Each element in the students list is a dictionary, and in that dictionary we are giving the key that is the name, and we are finding out what is the value, and then we are printing the value. So let's see what value we get over here. We get, if you can see the output clearly, we get the names Damodar, Arjun, and Balram, and not in any specific value, not in any specific order because sets are not ordered basically. Okay, so this much part is clear. Now, for the value part, so this is the key part. Now, for the value part, we want the average score. Now, how will we get the average score? So, for that, we'll have to find the average of math, science, and English keys. So, we'll do sum student dot values, student dot values, okay, and divided by length of students minus 1. Length of student minus 1. Okay. Why minus 1? Because in the dictionary, if you find the length of each of these dictionaries, the length is going to be 4 because there is a name, okay, name key and the name value pair. So this name key value pair we don't want. We want the math key value pair, science key value pair, and English key value pair. Okay, so we want to divide by 3. So length student minus 1, and we are keeping it generic because right now I'm skipping the input part, but the user can enter an input with, let's say, any number of subjects. So we want to keep it generic. Okay. So the key is student's name and the value is sum of the student marks divided by number of subjects. Okay. Now let's see what we get when we print this. Okay. So this is because name is also there in this list. So what we can do is, okay, so this slightly lengthens our solution. Okay, so what we'll have to do is we'll take the sum of value for e comma value in student if in student dot items if key is not equal to name, just to exclude that uh, one key value pair. Okay, so we'll have to do it this way, then this will work. Okay, so Arjun is 84.33, Balram is 88, and Damodar is 75.67. Okay, so it works. So that's it for this question. If you have any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.